Hey everyone, I'm Praveen and welcome to AI Sparks, where artificial intelligence meets innovation and excitement. On this channel, we spark curiosity and ignite imagination with AI powered insights, tutorials, and explorations. From machine learning to robotics, we'll dive into the future today. Imagine you're building an application. Every time you want to classify an email, repair a JSON, or simply detect whether a log message is important, your application sends another request to ChatGPT, another API call, another delay, another cost, thousands of requests every day. But what if AI could learn your task once and then run completely offline forever? This is exactly the question explored in the research paper, Program as Weights, a programming paradigm for fuzzy functions. In this work, Wentao Zhang and Liliana Hotsko, along with their research team, introduce an entirely new programming paradigm. Instead of writing code or repeatedly calling giant language models, they ask a revolutionary question: can we compile natural language directly into a tiny neural program? The answer is surprisingly yes. Traditional programming works wonderfully when rules are clear, sorting numbers, searching arrays, calculating equations, but many real world problems aren't like that. How do you know if an email feels urgent? How do you repair broken JSON? How do you rank search results by meaning instead of keywords? These are called fuzzy functions. Humans understand them naturally, computers struggle. Today's developers usually solve these problems by asking an LLM every single time. Input goes in, the model thinks, the answer comes back again and again and again. This creates API costs, internet dependency, privacy concerns, slow applications. The researchers wondered, can we compile the intelligence only once? Here's where things become exciting. Instead of calling AI forever, they use AI only one time. You simply describe your function in English, like classify whether this email is urgent. The compiler understands your request and transforms it into something extraordinary, a tiny neural program. Once compiled, the neural program becomes a reusable file, just like a Python library. You download it once, store it locally, version control it, run it offline. No internet, no API, no cloud, just your computer. The system actually contains two brains. The first is the compiler, which understands your natural language. The second is the interpreter, a tiny frozen language model that executes your compiled program. The compiler creates a special LoRa adapter, and the interpreter loads it instantly. Instead of retraining an entire language model, only a tiny adapter is generated. The interpreter itself never changes, only the adapter changes. This makes every compiled function lightweight, portable, and incredibly fast. One interpreter can run thousands of different functions. Teaching this compiler wasn't easy. The researchers created something enormous, a brand new dataset called FuzzyBench. Over 10 million training examples, more than 800 categories covering real developer tasks, classification, search, parsing, tool calling, validation, intent detection, and much more. Absolutely. A tiny 0.6 billion parameter interpreter performs similarly to, and on FuzzyBench even outperformed, direct prompting of a much larger 32B model while using dramatically less inference memory. Even more impressive, it runs at around 30 tokens per second on a MacBook M3. Developers make mistakes, typos, grammar errors, poor specifications. Yet, PAW barely slows down. Why? Because before execution, the compiler quietly rewrites your messy prompt into a clean pseudo program. The interpreter only sees the polished version, a brilliant design choice. Here's the best part. This isn't just theory. The authors released an open source library called Programmer's Weights that lets developers compile natural language task descriptions into reusable local neural functions. Installation is as simple as pip install Programmer's Weights. Now your application can compile functions instead of calling APIs forever. Describe your function, compile it, call it like any Python function. Program =sign pod.com pile, fn =sign pod.function, fn urgent email. That's it. The AI has become software. Imagine building email classifiers, JSON repair tools, semantic search, intent routing, log monitoring, AI agents, browser AI, offline copilots, all running locally without paying for every single request. This is where AI starts feeling like traditional software again. For decades, software has been written with code. Then came prompting, where every request depended on giant cloud models. But this paper introduces something completely different. Describe the behavior once, compile it into a tiny neural program, run it forever, offline, fast, private, reusable. Program as weights doesn't just introduce a new model, it introduces a completely new way to think about programming itself. And if this idea succeeds, the future of software may no longer be written only in code, it may be compiled directly from human language. Compile once, run locally, think differently about AI. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment which AI system you want to build next. Stay sparked. See you in the next video.